This is all new BMW 2 Series Coupe. BMW is opening a new chapter in its traditional super sport compact models. In the process, it will set a new benchmark for driving pleasure, a brand specialty at the premium at the vehicle class. The new BMW 2 Series Coupe embodies sporting prowess in a particularly concentrated front, with a vehicle concept focused squarely on dynamic excellence, an athletic design, powerful engines, and sophisticated chassis technology. The all-new BMW 2 Series Coupe features a 6-cylinder inline engine with 275 kW, 374 horsepower in the BMW M240i X-Drive is a range-topping power unit. I hope you could find something interesting when watching. Thanks again for watching.